Good night, Mr. Bunny. What is that sound? Oh no, thunder again. I don't like thunder. It sounds angry. Mom? Mom, are you there? Mom? Mom, are you there? I'm not scared. I'm not scared. There is nothing there. There is nothing there. I wish someone was here with me, but...
Luna?
Mom?
It's me, Luna.
Mom! I was so scared.
I know, sweetie. I'm here now. I know, my little star. Storms can sound very scary. Look at that shadow. What does it look like to you?
Like a monster with long arms.
Let's look again.
And the chair looks like a funny giraffe now.
Do you want to see what's under your bed?
Yes!
There's nothing here except dust and your blue sock!
My missing sock!
Look, Luna. The bird is hiding from the storm, too.
He's brave. He stayed outside in the rain.
I have something for you. This is your brave light. When you feel scared, turn it on and remember, you are not alone.
I feel better now. I think I'm brave too.
You are very brave. Even when you feel scared, you stay and try. The thunder slowly went far away. The rain became quiet.
Drip, 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 drip.
The light was always inside you.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Mr. Bunny.
Good night, my little star.